Good morning, everyone. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan inaugurated Atal Kisan Mazdoor Canteen in Grain Market. Farmers and laborers will get pure food for 10 rupees. Atal Kisan Mazdoor Canteen has been opened to help the farmers who bring their crops to the grain market and the laborers working here. A full meal will be available in the canteen for just 10 rupees. The canteen was inaugurated by MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan on Monday. On the first day, laborers and farmers tested various dishes in the canteen. MLA Sunil Sangwan said that today the demand of the farmers and laborers working in the market has been fulfilled. With the start of Atal Kisan Mazdoor Canteen in the grain market, farmers and laborers will be able to get pure food for 10 rupees. He said that the BJP government is always ready to develop all sections, including farmers and laborers. The Haryana government is purchasing the highest number of crops in the country at MSP so that the benefits of farmers can be increased. The government has launched many schemes in the interest of farmers, which benefits are directly reaching the farmers today. MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan instructed the officials to provide all the basic facilities to the farmers coming to the market so that they don't face any kind of problem. He talked to the farmers and instructed the officials to get the crop lifted immediately after purchasing it so that the farmers can easily bring their crops to the market. Market Committee Secretary Vijay Kumar, Tejveer Sangwan, Rakesh Banjara, Vinod Kumar, Mandi Pradhan, Mohan Makdania, Vinod Garg, and Dinesh Patuas were present on this occasion. Farmers are being given 75% subsidy on solar pumps and PM Kusum Yojana. Farmers can choose solar energy pumps till 21st April. The new and renewable energy department Haryana is providing solar pumps at 75% subsidy to farmers from 2090 and 2023 had applied to Discom Haryana and South Haryana Electricity Distribution Corporation for 3 HP to 10 HP electricity based agriculture tube wells for which farmers can apply till 21st April. Giving information by the new and renewable energy branch of the additional deputy commissioner's office, it was told that the Haryana government has taken an important initiative under the able leadership of Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini, which is proving to be very beneficial for the farmers of the state. He said that farmers will be able to choose solar energy pumps by applying till 21st April. Under the PM Kusum scheme, solar pumps will be given to existing 3 to 10 HP electricity based agriculture tube well applicants till the year 2023 at 75% subsidy. Farmers who had applying during 22 5 and 11 225 need not apply again. They should deposit their beneficiary share as the challan received from their old application. Existing applicants of electricity best connection will be given priority for the connection of solar energy pumps, provided they have to surrender their existing electricity connection. This year's target beneficiaries will be selected on the basis of annual income and land holding of the family. Applicants can select the pipe type and capacity of solar pump by visiting the department's ID will be the user ID, in which selection can be done by receiving OTP on the mobile number. This unique initiative has been taken by the state government for irrigation work for farmers under PM Kusum scheme. To save water and electricity, the Haryana government is focusing on solar pump sets instead of traditional tube wells and micro irrigation. Instead of old patterns of irrigation. More information about this can be obtained from the additional deputy commissioner's office. Job fair will be held in the employment office today, Charkhi Dadri. As the instructions of the employment department, a job fair is being organized in the district employment office on Tuesday at April, in which Savaria Biofertilizer, Pukhraj Healthcare and SBI Life Insurance will participate as employers. Instructed 12th and graduate pass candidates should ensure to participate in the district employment office Charkhi Dadri at 10:30 a.m. with their HRIEX registration card and biodata. If any applicant has not registered in the employment office, then he can participate by the registering on the departmental website herex.gov.in. Everyone will have to fight together against drug abuse. Cyclothon left for Mahendragarh after completing the journey in the district. Everyone will have to fight together against drug abuse. Only then this dreadful disease that has spread in the society can be eradicated from its roots. With this thought, the state government is working against drug abuse, and the second edition of Drug Free Haryana Cyclothon is being run to make people aware. After running an awareness campaign in the district for 2 days, the Cyclothon Yatra entered Mahendragarh district on Monday by Chidia village in the morning. SP Ars Verma flagged off the Yatra. It is the worth mentioning that the state government has a very big objective through this yatra, and this objective must be fulfilled. Only then can the youth of Haryana be brought about of the cleansing of drug abuse to make Haryana drug free through the yatra. Every citizen, along with the youth, will have to be made aware. Everyone knows that once Punjab was the most developed state of the country, but some external forces pushed our country backward by making the youth addicted to drugs. As a result, today Punjab is struggling with drugs. The future of thousands of youth is being ruined. Similarly, drugs are gradually coming to Haryana state as well, which is a matter of great concern. Giving his message to the youth, Arjun Awadi, Olympia, and DSP Jay Bhagwan, the nodal official appointed from the police department for the yatra, said that the players have to stay away from drugs themselves. Along with that, they also have to keep an eye on their younger siblings and other family members. He appealed to the youth to work hard, to regular exercise and work out, but do not use supplements that harm the body. He said that make some sports your hobby. There is a bright future in sports today. Samadhan camps will now be organized 2 days a week. The event will be held on Monday and Thursday from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Under the guidance of the state government, changes have been made in the organization of Samadhan camps being organized with the aim of quick resolution of the problems of the general public. Now these camps will be organized 2 days a week on Monday and Thursday from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. As before, camps will be organized at both district and subdivision levels. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the main objective Samadhan camps is to establish direct communication between the public and the administration so that problems can be resolved in a timely and transparent manner. Through these camps, citizens do not have to visit offices to resolve their complaints, but they can directly communicate with the officials at one place. He said that this initiative, running under guidance of the state government, is also getting full support and appreciation from the public. With the timely resolution, dedicated officers and participation of common people, these camps have emerged as a strong example of good governance today. He said that a resolution cell has been set up the headquarter level where complaints of the resolution camp are being monitored. Complaints of the resolution camp are also being monitored every week at the district level. The complaints which can be resolved quickly are resolved on the spot, and relief is provided to the citizens, and the problems related to policy making are sent to the headquarter so that necessary steps can be taken to ensure their timely resolution. Thank you very much and take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.